Bobby.
Say good morning.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, guys.
How are you?
That's what we do.
Come on, come here. Say good morning. Good morning. Gising na po. Ang likot-likot. Morning.
We want to go down.
Oh, let's go down. Okay.
We want to see the Bobby. The Bobby is here. The bye-bye.
Okay, say bye-bye later again.
Is Bobby with Bobby?
Hi loves, good morning. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. So loves, today is Sunday and it's nice weather, really nice weather. I think 31 degree. Yes. Parang Pilipinas loves, parang Pilipinas. So ngayon, magsiswimming kami ni Raiden sa garden. Meron kasi si Raiden, 'di ba hindi pa pala. So last time meron si Raiden ng pool. So, ilalatag ko ulit yun sa garden sa labas. Tapos, pagsiswimming ko siya mga around 12. Ano lang naman kasi yan si Raiden mga half an hour lang. Hindi naman yan magtatagal kasi nga, syempre, malamig. Baka malamigan din siya. Hindi naman, syempre, pag bata pa, hindi naman yan talaga magtatagal sa pool. So, bago bago yung kainitan talaga. Kasi mga around 1 p.m. pababa, sobrang init talaga. So, mga 12, sakto, mainit, pero hindi naman nasa 31, mga 28, ganun. At least, mainit pa rin yun, loves. So, pero, igagrab na namin yung opportunity na yun, kasi nga maganda yung weather. So yun, loves, magsiswimming kami ni Raiden mamaya. Kakapakain ko lang sa kanya ng breakfast, binigyan ko lang siya ng boiled egg, and then pancake. Tapos later, fruits naman. So, yun dun siya sa sala, kasi nakakatuwa tong batang to. Ayaw niya na akong papuntahin. Pag kasi siya nag-poop, ayaw niya akong papuntahin dun sa sala. Sinasabi niya sa akin go there, mommy, go there. Go there daw. So yun, loves. Mag-asikaso lang ako. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. Siya muna yung inuna ko. And then, yun. Raiden, you wanna say hi to the guys? You wanna say good morning to them? You wanna say good morning to them? Say good morning.
No, that's fish.
No? Why? Say good morning to the guys.
Of the ball.
Oh, you're busy. What are you doing? Are you busy? What is that? Tinan mo, tinapon yung mga unan sa baba. Yeah, it's nice. Swimmingin kita mamaya. Yun. Swimming siya mamaya. Hi loves. Magdilig tayo ng halaman kasi magdilig tayo ng 2 beses. Today, morning, tas later at afternoon. Kasi later, super talaga init. Ewan ko loves, iba kasi ang init dito as in. Sanay naman ako sa init syempre. Excuse me. Sanay naman ako sa init syempre. Syempre sa Pinas, 'di ba? Pero dito iba yung init. Ewan ko lang. Basta iba talaga ang init dito. Parang masusunog ka, ganun. Kaya nga mabilis maka-sunburn. So yun, pag magdidilig ako ng halaman diyan ngayon. Look at this, Raiden. Let's open it. Let's open your... Oh, look at the mommy. Look, show to them. Look. Wow, water table. Wow. Wow.
Shovel.
Shovel. Yeah. Just shovel. Hi, loves. So, ayun na nga. Niready ko na yung swimming pool doon. And then, yung water table ni Raiden nilagay ko dyan. Lagyan natin ng water kasi nga, no, pag transfer ko sa kanya na naubos yung water. Wow! Look at that! Nice, mommy! Ano pa lang, loves, 22 degree, 22, 23, pero ang init na. Mamaya neto 26, 27 till 31. Yes! Raiden? You excited? Hi, mister. Hi, mister. You okay?
Water.
Yeah, this is water. Minimix ko siya ng warm and then cold water. Para hindi siya agad malamigan.
Picture.
Yeah.
Picture.
Nice.
What's over here? Water.
Whoa, very nice. Wow. Fish. Yes. Look. Swimming, swimming. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. Ice? Yes. Mommy and you live here. Oh. Nagutom ang buboy ko. Pinakain ko siya ng, nag-snacks na siya kanina. After, tas ito egg, boiled egg, and then meatballs. Nagutom. Yum, yum? Yeah. You happy? Bitin yung swimming ko, but it's okay. Ganun naman talaga. Kung kailan sila aahon, doon din ako aahon. Yum, yum. Don't forget to drink water, okay? Mga basa. Yung kapitbahay namin, nagdidisco-disco. Maganda na kasi talaga yung weather, eh. Kaya, nagkakasiyahan ng mga English people. Because it's summer. Summer is finally here. Yeah? Tingnan niyo yung baby ko. Oh, chika, chika, chika! Oh, I thought you finished swimming. Ah, you want more? You want more swimming? Huh? I thought you already done. Oh, oh, look at that. Swimming pa rin siya. Para nag-ano lang ako, nag-CR lang ako. Pagbalik ko, naglalangoy na siya dyan. Oh, oh, kichi, kichi. Ayaw niyang matulog. Pinapatulog yan kanina pa. Siguro mga 2 oras kami dun sa sala. Ayaw niyang matulog. Ayun, sabi ko, labas na lang tayo. Laro na lang siya. Mamaya patulugin ko na lang siya ng maaga.
One, two, three.
1, 2, 3. Say hi to the guys. Ha? Nakailang palit na po yan ng damit. Kasi laro siya dun sa labas sa may water table tsaka sa swimming pool. Pinapasok ko na dito. Pero hindi naman siya hindi naman siya nag-nap. Kaya papatulugin ko siya ng maaga. Yeah? Are you gonna go sleep today? Early, Raiden. You going to sleep early today, okay? Tonight? Yes? Yes? Raiden, you wanna say bye to the guys? Say good night. I'm gonna let you sleep. Good night. I'm gonna let you sleep early tonight. You wanna say good night to them? Are you snoring? Say good night. Good night. Say good night, loves. Good night, guys.
Put it back.
Put it back. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe, like, and share. Yeah.
Come
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.
on.